Hey everyone, welcome to Soil Goddess. I really need two organizers, so for one for my kitchen and one for my craft things. I do a lot of craft stuff, so I decided to buy two organizers, but I checked in online and it is really costly and expensive, and so I decided to do my own organizer and I headed to the dollar store. So if you're first time watching Soil Goddess, please subscribe to Soil Goddess and show your support, please. And let's get started. I am in the dollar store and I am buying two cooling racks. I am really an eco-friendly person and I don't want any plastic. I'm trying to avoid plastic at the most, so I am choosing these metal baskets. This organizer is really going to be an eco-friendly one. So let's get started. I have bought like three baskets and two metal racks, and this is going to be totally eco-friendly. We are not going to use even hot glue gun for this. So let's get started again. So for this, I'm just using these two metal racks. I want a single board or a single frame to make the organizer, so I'm just making these two combine to form a one single frame. For that I'm using my simple yarn. You can always use a jute thread or anything which you have at home. So I decided to use my yarns. So I'm connecting all the nodes like this and cutting off the extra threads. It is really strong. You don't believe it. If you do it, you can really believe it. Like, it's really strong. And we have got one single frame of our organizer. And now we are going to take these metal baskets. So I'm just going to use the same woolen thread or the same yarn and gonna connect it this way so that it will be intact. And you would have noticed that I'm connecting these baskets in the middle of the stem, like the nodes where because it will be intact and it will be firm. The baskets will not move here and there if you do this in this method, because if you are using this as an organizer, you don't want your things which you put in the basket to move and fall off. So I am just showing you the the connection of two baskets, but what I have made is like another basket and another tumbler from the dollar store, metal tumbler. And you can also buy these S hooks from dollar store. I think you can buy two hooks for $1. And this is how my organized craft organizer looks like. You can use these S hooks to organize your uh, tapes and colorful tapes, and even the ribbons. You can just put it there, and this is how your um, craft organizer looks like. I have made it wall mounted with push pins because I just want to save my craft stuffs from my toddler. And you can also use this as a kitchen organizer to put your mugs, your spatulas and spoons and even little cups inside it. And hope this video is useful for you guys. If so, please subscribe to Soil Goddess and show your support, like, comment, share, and thanks for watching.